really handy tool when it comes to editing photos in Adobe Photoshop is if you have an image which is maybe too warm or an image which is really cool, you can neutralize the colors by using the levels filter inside the layers. To do this, we get the layer panel and we go down to the bottom here and we're going to add an adjustment layer. And we're going to click on that and go down to levels. Up pops this dialog box. Now in here we have this little eyedropper tool, and this middle one means the gray point of the image. So we're going to select that and we're going to click on an image and we're going to search around for where it could be grey within the original image. I'm just going to select this rock on the left hand side, and as you can see the image is starting to change and it's starting to look a little bit less warm, a little bit more neutral. The same applies for if your image is too cool. So we go into the layer panel, go down to the adjustment layers, go to levels, select the grey eyedropper and select somewhere on the image which looks like it could be a grey point on the image. So I'm going to select this little grey area here, and it's automatically going to make the image a little bit more neutral and maybe take them cool tones and turn them to slightly more warmer or neutral tones. So that's a really quick and handy tool when you're editing photos in Adobe Photoshop if you need some more neutral leveled colors. If you got something from this video, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and remember you can access all of my assets via my Patreon account, so go check that out. I look forward to seeing you in another video. Thank you for watching.